Dear listeners, I invite you today to discover a revolutionary product that will transform your daily life, the Klarstein Mini Dishwasher. Imagine a world where dishwashing becomes a distant memory, where your kitchen shines with cleanliness effortlessly. This little technological gem is not just an appliance. It is a true ally in your everyday life. I will explain why. If you are interested, feel free to click on the link in the description right now. To learn more about these unique features, see the hundreds of reviews left by satisfied customers and order yours now. This dishwasher is the perfect tool for people living in tight spaces, such as single apartments, offices, or small houses, as well as for those looking for a practical and stylish solution for the daily chore of dishwashing. It is also ideally suited for busy individuals looking for an easy-to-use and energy-efficient appliance, combining comfort with respect for the environment. First of all, let's talk about its design. The Klarstein Mini Dishwasher, with its elegant glass front, is not just a useful appliance. It is also a decorative element that fits any kitchen style. Whether you have a modern or more classic interior, it will blend perfectly into your space. Available in black, silver, and anthracite, it adds a touch of sophistication to your environment, but its beauty is not its only asset. Let's talk about its efficiency. This compact dishwasher can accommodate up to 8 place settings. Imagine being able to clean the dishes from a full meal for the whole family, or even after a small gathering with friends without having to spend hours scrubbing at the sink. With its ideal dimensions, it is perfectly suited for small kitchens, bachelor apartments, and even weekend homes or second residences. And guess what? You can own it with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of customer reviews sharing their satisfaction. These 6 washing programs, intensive, normal, eco, green, 90 minutes, and quick, are a true revolution. Whether you need to clean delicate glasses or tackle dirty pots, the Klarstein Mini Dishwasher has the washing mode you need. Flexibility is another strong point of this dishwasher. Its independent design with the option for built-in installation makes it adaptable to any type of kitchen. Moreover, its installation is incredibly simple. Just plug it directly into the faucet and there you go, you are ready to use it. No more complicated and expensive installations. Safety is also a priority. Thanks to its AquaStop system, the Klarstein Mini Dishwasher offers enhanced protection against water leaks, providing you with extra peace of mind. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the hundreds of customer reviews showcasing its impressive quality and to order yours at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. But this dishwasher is not just a simple tool. It is a symbol of order and cleanliness. With it, say goodbye to chaos in your kitchen. As the slogan of Klarstein aptly puts it, a tidy home for a tidy mind. This dishwasher is an invitation to live in an environment where cleanliness and order reign supreme. Now, let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1. Compact and space efficient, ideal for small kitchens, apartments, and offices, maximizing the available space. Advantage number 2. Ease of installation. Simple and quick installation, directly connectable to the faucet without the need for plumbing modifications. Advantage number 3, elegant design, glass front, and choice of colors, adding a touch of modernity to any kitchen decor. Advantage number 4, versatility of programs. 6 washing programs tailored to different needs, including an eco cycle and a quick cycle. Advantage number 5, intuitive use. Designed to be easy to use, making it accessible to everyone, including those who are not familiar with dishwashers. Advantage number 6, AquaStop, a safety feature to prevent water leaks and potential damage. Advantage number 7, adaptability. It is suitable for both home use and office environments, providing a practical solution for daily dishwashing. In summary, the Klarstein Mini Dishwasher is more than just a dishwasher. It is a promise of well-being, a commitment to a simpler and more enjoyable lifestyle. It represents the freedom to enjoy your time without being chained to the chore of washing dishes. It is an investment in your quality of life. And now, if you want to take the step towards a simpler and more elegant life, click on the link in the description to order the Klarstein Mini Dishwasher at the best price, discover more about its features, and read the hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your daily life. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.